Good morning, dear students. This is Sudhi Shukla. So, in our previous discussions, we are going for the polar orbiting satellites. Polar orbiting satellites. We have discussed about the NOAA KLM satellites. Few of the data I have shared with you. The launch dates, mission life, mass, diameters and sensors. Mass was actually 1478.9 kg and the mission life was minimum 2 years. That was associated with KLM satellites which are placed in polar orbits, which is 800 to 900 kilometers. So, as the satellite orbits the Earth, that orbits means it is rotating around the Earth, the spot beams sweeps out a swath on the Earth's surface about 6,000 kilometers, while passing over north and just passing over north and south poles. North and south poles. The orbital period of these satellites is about 102 minutes. Since a day it has 440 minutes. So the number of orbits per day will be 440 by 102, or approximately 14. This is number of orbits per day. In a day, the rotation it do is 14. So in the 102 minute, the Earth rotate eastward about this 360 degree into 102 upon 1440, or about 25 degree. Neglecting for the moment the small eastward rotation of the orbit required for sun synchronicity, the Earth will rotate under the sub-satellite path by this amount. And let me show this by a diagram. Let me draw. This is what about the Earth. This is pole. This is, let me write here N. This is the Earth's rotation. I am showing this by vertical line, Earth's rotation. And let me draw here the degree associated with it, 25 degree. Here itself for 0 degree, a prime meridian line, green prime meridian line, Greenwich meridian line. And let me draw this to be like in this way, and this to be this way. These are the latitudes, these are the longitudes, these are the latitudes, these are the longitudes, and the orbiting of this satellite to be in this way around, like in this way. As I have told you, from south to north, this is the ascending path. From south to the north, this is the ascending path. From north to the south, this will be descending path. So this is the satellite orbit. Or let me draw one of more diagram. This is Earth, and here it is North Pole. This is the vertical line around which the Earth's rotation, and this is again a longitude. This is again a latitude. Here 25 degree. Here position is shift 0 degree. And again the same orbiting case in this way from south to north. So this is the figure is the polar orbiting satellite, and this is the first pass. As I have told you, there is about 102 minutes a day, there is a 140 minutes. The number of orbits per day is by this ratio, that is calculated to be 14. And in this 102 minutes, the Earth rotates eastward 360 degree into 102.140, or about 25 degree, what I have mentioned here. So this first A, this is the figure A, and this is the figure B. This A figure is basically the first pass, and the B figure is the second pass. This is the figure B, this is figure A. B is the second pass, and along with it the Earth having rotated 25 degree, and the satellite period is 102 minutes. 102 minutes. So dear students, this is the first pass, and this figure tells the second pass. The 25 degree is nothing but the Earth is rotated about this 25 degree, and the satellite period of the rotation is 102 minutes. These all are calculated values. These are not the values taken randomly. The students, these all are calculated values for polar satellites. So here we all come to know about the organizations, about the satellites and the type of satellites, their dates and their rotation period, their rotation degree, all about the polar orbiting satellites. So this is all about the polar orbiting satellites. I hope you understand all things, and if you have any doubt, you can directly ask to me. Thank you, students.